Welcome to Allcure Next Gen Ayurveda, where nature meets wellness. Today, we are diving into the wonders of milk thistle oil, a powerful natural remedy that's transforming skincare routines around the world. What is milk thistle oil? Milk thistle oil is a cold-pressed oil derived from the seeds of the milk thistle plant, which is known for its medicinal properties and health benefits. It is valued in both traditional and modern medicine for its health-promoting effects, making it a popular choice in natural health and wellness products. Let's begin with the history of milk thistle. Milk thistle has been valued for over 2000 years. Ancient Greeks and Romans praised its liver-protecting properties. In medieval Europe, it was used for liver and gallbladder health. The Renaissance herbalist, Nicholas Culper, highlighted its healing benefits. Extraction process of milk thistle oil. Seed harvesting. Mature milk thistle seeds are harvested in late summer to early fall when the plant's flowers have dried. This ensures the seeds are at their peak nutrient content. Cleaning. The harvested seeds undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt, debris, and plant matter. This involves washing and sieving to ensure only clean, pure seeds are used. Cold pressing. Cleaned seeds are mechanically pressed without heat in a process called cold pressing. This method retains the seed's natural properties, nutrients, and bioactive compounds. Filtration. The extracted oil is filtered to remove any remaining solids or impurities. This step ensures the oil is pure and clear. The filtration process results in high-quality oil ready for use. Now, let's check out what makes milk thistle so special. Milk thistle contains silymarin, plant sterols, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E. Coming up next is the most important part of this video, the benefits of milk thistle oil. Liver support. Rich in silymarin, milk thistle oil supports liver health by protecting against toxins and promoting detoxification. Antioxidant power. Contains potent antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Skin health. Nourishes and moisturizes the skin, making it a beneficial ingredient in skincare products for anti-aging and soothing properties. Digestive aid. Supports digestive health by promoting bile production and aiding in digestion. Cholesterol management. Helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and supports cardiovascular health. How to use milk thistle oil on hair. Combine milk thistle oil with a carrier oil like castor oil or olive oil. Add a few drops of essential oils if desired. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on midlands and ends. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Wash thoroughly with shampoo and conditioner. How to use milk thistle oil on skin. Take a small amount of milk thistle oil in your palm and warm it by rubbing your hands together. Gently massage the oil onto your skin in circular motion. Allow the oil to absorb into your skin for a few minutes or leave it overnight. Discover the magic of milk thistle oil with Allcure Next Gen Ayurveda. Embrace the power of nature for radiant and healthy skin. We hope you found this video informative and useful, and we encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.